Welcome to Motivational Minute here on the Writers Atelier channel. My name is Racquel Henry, and now I'm going to give you all a pep talk in a 60-second video. If you're thinking about doing National Novel Writing Month, also known as NaNoWriMo, and questioning whether or not you can do it, I want to remind you that you can indeed write a novel in 30 days. If you're like most writers, doubt is probably at the root of all of your thinking lately. I want you to know that just commit to doing the task and see how far you get. It's in your brain, then you owe it to yourself to at least try. And at the end of the day, if you don't write 50,000 words, then you will have more words than you started with at the beginning of the month, and hopefully you will also have some new friendships. Last, you'll also have the chance to try again. So just try. If you like this video, be sure to like and subscribe to our channel and follow us for more inspiration and motivation. We will be trying to motivate you all through the month of November and beyond. Thanks for watching. Bye.